Hey guys, welcome back to our channel. So today we're here at this resort named Karma Exotica, which is owned by the Karma Group. So we've just reached a couple of minutes ago. Something that I like to tell you guys is this building is basically 6 kilometers away from McLeodganj and around 7 kilometers away from the Bharmar ancient city. We've reached a couple of minutes ago. Let's just hop into the resort and see what all we have here. So finally, after a really long day, after a really exhausted day, we finally reached at Karma Exotica in धर्मशाला, जो कि बहुत ज़्यादा हाइट पे है. आपको यहाँ पे आने के लिए जीपीएस की ज़रूरत पड़ेगी क्योंकि लोकल लोगों को कर्मा एक्सोटिका नहीं पता होता. अगर आप जीपीएस के बिना आ रहे हैं और आप अपने साथ एक प्रोफेशनल ड्राइवर ला रहे हैं तो आपको बहुत ज़्यादा अच्छा लगेगा क्योंकि इतने ट्विस्ट एंड टर्न्स के बाद आप इतनी हाइट पर आके कर्मा एक्सोटिका पहुँचते हैं, जो कि हमें पहले नहीं पता था. बट क्योंकि अब मेरे व्यूवर्स को ये पता होना चाहिए, सो मैं बता रही हूँ. नेक्स्ट, this is I guess the first trip with Karma in 2021. So the Karma members are back on track. After all these COVID issues and everything, we finally made it through in March 2021, and there's a lot planned for Holi. It's the first ever trip, and in 2021 so many things are coming up. There are many more locations which are being launched in coming days. Therefore is the next one probably. So once it's live, we'll think if we want to go there, but as of now let's just enjoy Karma Exotica at Dharamshala. अभी क्योंकि हो चुका है 8:15. What do we have here? छोटा सा रूम टूर करेंगे, फटाफट से डिनर ऑर्डर करेंगे और देखते हैं कि यहाँ के लोकल शेफ्स कैसा पंजाबी खाना बनाते हैं. So we've already checked into Karma Exotica, and this is the room for the staycation at Karma Exotica. So let's just have a television as well as this relaxing area where I've already put in my stuff. We have some comfy sofas out here which are very well.
Next up we have this kind of audio painting which I don't really understand, but it looks good on the wall. And this is the master bedroom which we have here. So can you just scroll through the room and show our viewers what do we have here? Okay, so next is this attached balcony that we have. It's not really visible as of now because it's almost 8 o'clock. So this is the exit to the balcony. I'll probably show you tomorrow morning once we wake up. That's it for the room.
Tomorrow, as you know, it's a weekend, and day after tomorrow it's Holi, and we have a hell lot of things planned at Karma Exotica for Holi. So stay tuned guys, we have a lot of stuff coming up for you. Okay, so a quick disclaimer guys, I'm here and without a mask. Yes, we are here in the COVID times, but at Karma we travel very safely. The resort is very much safe for us, so we don't need to wear a mask only while shooting this video. Let's go for a quick resort tour.
You can just contact the help desk here in 4x7. They're reachable from the extensions also. Here's the playing area where we have a lot of games, including table tennis, and snooker table. As well as we have few options available for those who love reading. We have the books along with carom and chess. Let's area.
Let's just go to the area where the rooms are there. We have rooms at ground and first floor. Also, there are rooms which are on certain height. I'll just take you over there. Come. such categorization in the rooms. Every room is each and equal for all the members. It's very much available. There we have the Karma office on the first floor. So since we are already a Karma member since last 2.5 years, I would like to show you the office here at Karma Exotica, where we have such meetings and memberships are signed. चढ़ाई करते करते बहुत ऊपर आ चुके हैं. We have already crossed 3 floors, 3 or 4 floors ऊपर आ चुके हैं. So Karma property is on the outskirts of Dharamshala. The reason is we have this beautiful view from here. And these are the Dauldhar Hills in Himachal in Dharamshala. You'll be able to see this range of all the beautiful mountains. We do have Karma mountains here. That's not really visible as of now, but I'll show you the glimpse tomorrow morning. And this is the pool area where we can have dinner, and there, that is the Holi setup. We have Holika Dahan today. So come on guys, now let's go to the lunch, breakfast and dinner area. Here it is. So the breakfast and lunch is usually served in this section. We have drinks and the counter available here. Music setup which is already here. We have live karaoke sessions, alternate evenings and on obviously occasions. So now let's go to the further section. This is the tallest area of the resort where we have few rooms. It is somewhere around 10 to 12 rooms there. That is the open area and this is the balcony. This is the view of Dauldhar Hills in Dharamshala. Such a beautiful view. You can come here for sunsets, sunrises. So I guess this is such a place where you can just come, relax, enjoy the surroundings. We have such a beautiful view. The birds are chirping. There's no team call. There's no notification of, a meeting which has started on Teams. You just come here, relax and enjoy some me time. Apart from this, I guess people sitting at Odyssey, I would not like to highlight their name, but yes, if you're watching this, I know you're there to support us, and I like to tell my viewers that don't worry. If you're a Karma member, Odyssey team is there to support you guys, to help you with the bookings, to just support to the extent to have a great holiday with Karma. Even it's just loitering around, so you found this. So if experience Karma, so this is exactly experience Karma. You come here, enjoy the view, have the breakfast, and chill for some time. You also have these games such as chess. अभी जेंगा तो नहीं है इधर, अभी मांगा भी नहीं मैंने, बट या चेस था और मुझे थोड़ी बहुत नॉलेज है चेस कैसे खेलते हैं, चेस स्टार्टेड है एंड देखते हैं कहाँ तक जाता है. स्टे ट्यून्ड. at Karma Exotica and it's Q3. We've had a lot of fun today. We played Holi. We celebrated Holi at the lawn area near the poolside. It was so much fun. The staff is super cooperative and helpful here. Also, so यहाँ पे हमारे साथ विजय सर हैं जो यहाँ के GM भी हैं. He's a very down to earth and polite guy. We had a really good talk yesterday with him and it was
really great meeting. We've had a lot of conversations with him offline and very friendly kind of chat. Also there are
certain people in the sales team such as Ms. Anubha who took out time from her busy
schedule and such as the financial year ending. They have a lot of targets. There's a lot.
I would just like to add on that having experience with Karma has truly been amazing since last 2.5 years. This was the first
ever trip in 2021 and there's a lot coming up in 2021. There's a lot of new resorts coming up in India. बहुत कुछ होने वाला है, बहुत नए resorts आने वाले हैं 2020 में. बहुत अच्छी चीजें होने वाली हैं and I guess we would travel a lot in 2021. Fingers crossed for that. So
जुड़े रहिए हमारे साथ, बहुत मजा आने वाला है 2021 में. Feel the breeze, calmness, experience Karma.
Remember when we were young?
It's Monday today. Holi is also done, and tomorrow is the day that we got to check out from Karma Exotica. This is the feedback form which I filled in. I've put in all the comments that I experienced here. I've also put in my detailed comments somewhere or the other, and here are our details at the end of the feedback form. At last, we do love arrivals, prepaid departures, and tomorrow is the day we're going to be leaving from here. It was a really great experience. Staying with Karma is obviously fortunate for us because we get to experience so many different resorts that they have, starting from Goa to Kerala to Bali to Dharamshala, and so many more are coming. One hint is somewhere in Rajasthan. We'll get to know it sometime soon because we would be visiting that resort very much soon once it's live. So we'll be coming up with more videos from other locations. If I talk about the experience that I had here in this last 3 years, it was great. The hospitality team, the management team, obviously the people at the restaurant. Also, just to highlight our GM here, he is really supportive. He's such a kind person. You go to him, you approach him once and he'll be here to help you with anything you want. Also, there's a 24/7 service at the reception desk. You are just required to call and ask for what you want to. Yes, I guess that's pretty much. Yeah, we had a great experience. And lastly, I'd like to say one thing to the viewers who are watching us. If you don't know about Karma Group, just go to Google, type in Karma Group, or just drop a comment in the comment section below. We would be reaching you out through Gmail, or maybe you can contact us directly via a DM or Instagram handles. We'll mention it in the description box here. Apart from that, just don't give it a thought. If you want to be a Karma member, if you want to join us for the #KarmaIt, you can just fill in all the details on their website. The executives will be reaching out to you and you can get a chance to be a Karma member. So yes, with all this information being shared, we would like to take a leave. And if you want to be a Karma member, just don't give it a thought. Join in now. And yeah, अब ज़माना कर्मा का है. #experience Karma. This is Sakshi signing off.